Today, we're making the perfect treat for a summer picnic. Chewy chocolatey cookies with a tangy raspberry center. Take your butter and granulated sugar and mix at medium speed until light and fluffy. Add to that a splash of vanilla extract and 1 egg. Now sift in your flour, cocoa powder and the mandatory pinch of salt. Mix it all up until a soft dough forms. Flatten into a disc and chill for 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can also hit the subscribe button to show some support. Time to roll and cut. Roll out your dough on a lightly floured surface until 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Cut an even number of cookies using a round cutter. Then, using a smaller daisy-shaped cutter, press to create beautiful flower silhouettes within the centers of your half batch. Reserving the remaining half for sandwich bases, place your mix of cookie shapes on a lined baking sheet and chill again for 10 minutes to help prevent spreading. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 175 or until set. Look at those beauties! Now let's assemble. Spread a small spoonful of raspberry jam on the flat side of the cookies and place the side with the cutout on top. And there you have it, chewy, tangy, chocolatey daisy cookie sandwiches. Perfect for your next summer picnic. See you in the next one!